So we've got 125 days left of 2024. So let me ask you this. Are you going to keep dreaming, or are you finally ready to level up and make things happen? If you've been flirting with the idea of jumping online and starting your own online business, now is the time to stop messing around. It's time to get that business up and running and stop procrastinating, watching every other person making dollars online except you. Imagine smashing your goals and making money before 2025 even rolls in. Yes, it's possible. Well, that's if you're smart enough to take action. Honestly, if you're not diving into the world of digital marketing and what it has to offer, you're leaving money on the table. This is a rock solid opportunity for you to start making money online on autopilot. You can have your business set up in a weekend. It's a done for you business, which means you don't need to be tech savvy. It requires only 2 hours of your time. So why digital marketing? Because it is in demand. And learning high paying income skills, well, nowadays it's a necessity because your job is not secure, your income is capped, and let's face it, if you're working for a boss, it's crap. Digital marketing is not going anywhere, and neither should you. Why not embrace this $1.3 billion a day industry? Whether you're stuck in a job that's just okay, or you stay at home mom, or you just need an outlet, this is your chance to do something for yourself. And guess what? It's free to look at and free to get the info you need and get all your questions answered. No strings attached, no nonsense, just a real opportunity. So what's it going to be for you? Are you going to keep sitting on the fence and procrastinate? Or are you going to jump in and start 2025 with a massive bang? Your life and your freedom are worth it. So it's time to make big moves. Let's go.